Hi, I'm from the surveyor team. So, I have to make a video for a surveyor team, and you can subscribe and you can watch this video and you can get a knowledge about the surveyor world. So, you want to see the video?
Okay, good morning, my friend. Okay, my name is Muhammad Anwar Faiz Biadnan from Polytechnic Tuanku Sultan Bahia at the class DKA 3A. Okay, today I want you to know what about my speech today about civil engineering product. Okay, the products I choose is leveling staff. Leveling staff is this using for surveying team. The leveling staff they use for take the height and the different length between the point and another point. Okay, they have two type of leveling staff. The first wooden and aluminium rod, but today they don't use the wooden rod because they are easily to crack or broke. Okay, for aluminium rod, the weight there is 1.8 kilogram only, so it's not heavy for using and to bring for any side to go. Okay, stop. Okay, so the advantage is simple, compact and stable. Because what? The leveling staff is a shape like a triangle. So when you hold the leveling staff, you put at the down, you can make it flat. Okay. The second advantage is I say easily to bring out anywhere at the side or the side road. You can use it. Okay. And it's not heavy. It's just only 1.8 kilogram only for the aluminium rod. Okay, for the characteristic is to get the best measure when reading. When you read, when you use the leveling staff, you can take the measure from the scope leveling. So you can see the number or measure at the leveling staff, and it's only to surveying team. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and don't forget to subscribe.
A very good morning to our lecturer and to my friends. Today, this is our surveying team, and first is please introduce yourself.
My name is Amira.
My name is Putri Dayanti. My name is Sipina Khadija.
And I'm Kirubanandan from DKA. So please introduce yourself.
My name is Najiha.
Okay. Without surveying, we cannot build any building, any highway, any of related to construction. This is civil. This is called surveying. Surveying is a very important role in every construction category. So first of all, we're going to call Lisa. Lisa.
Hello and good morning to madam and my friends. My name is Sipina Khadija Kudatanai. Today I will representing about Bruton compass. I have 5 points I will share with you guys. My first point is advantage. The advantage of Bruton compass is straight and deep in measure in one step. Second, the vertical circle for deep angle. And the compass, the strike in strike direction. My Okay, there are many type of voltage compass. I will list 4 main of voltage compass. It is Bright compass, Silver Ranger 515 compass, PTC compass, and the last Bulton True X 3 base compass. Okay, then I will share the function of voltage compass. Voltage compass. Okay, first is taking a bearing, measuring vertical angle with centimeter, defining point of the same elevation, and the last measuring straight and dip. Okay, and last the component in voltage compass have kilometer scale, index pin, and bull rates level. Okay, thank you.
Hello, my name is Nur Amira Betrosai. Good morning to Madam and my friends. I'm here to present about measuring wheel. Measuring wheel, formerly called a surveyor wheel. It is construction surveyor tools. Measuring wheel is a very simple tool. As the written, it be rotated by calculating the distance. Measuring wheel come in several sizes. Is large and small. Large wheel is for outdoor use and small wheel is for indoor use. For example, indoor use is to marking the plumbing location. How to use the measuring wheel? Firstly, make sure the wheel is clean and dry before you start measuring. Secondly, set it down at the exact point. Measuring wheel have a handle. Take the handle and start walking to take a distance. This will help ensure better accuracy. Push the wheel as long as you walk until the end point. Then take the wheel straight up to avoid the rotation. Then it can put the wheel straight up to avoid the wheel is rotate. Thank you.
Good morning to Madam. Today I want to talk about survey tripod. Survey tripod come with 3 legs, come with flat head or dumb head, and ring nuts, screw or door lock for option. The function is to support anyone, such as instrument as a base instrument, to the light, to the station, to labelings or transit. Okay. Survey tripod has many types, so I choose only 3. Is SCCS carbon fiber tripod, wooden mini tripod, fiberglass tripod. Is also many I can't list this poster because so many. Okay, the difference of survey tripod is adjustable leg tripods, fixed leg tripod. Okay, their advantage about survey, this tripod is better stability, high stability and under load, and minimal horizontal operation. Then the tripods stand are resistant, high weight and lightweight, but their use is limited. Okay, next characteristic. Characteristic is same like function, but certain between this I choose the tripod support in the instrument, same like function. Next, fit a spike to anchor the tripod to the ground. Okay, the method. First method like how to use the tripod. Okay, first you must put on in the ground. Then you pull the leg to stability because you want to take to the light. Then you open the screw, you adjust for stable, and you lock. Then put to the light or total station or auto leveling. Then you lock this wing screw. These are flat head. This the leg. This 3 leg spare. So only this. Thank you.
Very good morning, madam. So today I'm going to present about automatic leveling tools that related to civil course. What is automatic leveling? Do you know how it's function? Then do you know how it's look like? And do you know how many types got? First of all, automatic leveling is a professional leveling tool that using by contractor, builders, engineers and land surveyors. It's mostly before we start build a building, we will make sure the land is a perfect place or not to build the building, or not only building, also highway, any public toilet, any else related to civil cost or related to construction. We will first of all do surveying the land. That's the main of the automatic leveling. And this is my poster. Unfortunately, cannot not have a projector, so I have to show later. Because madam,
You did not bring pen. You did
madam?
not bring your own laptop.
No, madam.
This is not my.
My laptop is got an HDMI cable. Yesterday cannot connect.
Then we connected HDMI cable yesterday.
No, that's not my
Then you
laptop.
should find other laptops.
Madam, I have one only.
You need to find.
Find where? My friends also know. I only have the one
Then where is your laptop now?
at home. That is cannot use.
Why?
Don't have a HDMI cable.
But you can show in the laptop, right?
I don't know. I think yesterday bring this laptop. That's why I. Yes, this one.
I just
Yeah.
received this yesterday at 6:30.
6:30. But I saw this. Everyone has see this.
You did not bring this laptop.
Yes,
This one.
yesterday.
Yesterday bring this one.
Oh, yesterday was from the office. This is from my office.
This I don't know, madam.
Yes.
But this
For
is
the
same only.
For a presentation, the presenter should be ready with all the equipments. Alright? So if you think that you need a laptop, you need a projector, you should be informing me, or you should be bringing your own device, own laptop and so on. But now you don't have a poster and you're still presenting.
No, I have poster.
Poster. Do you want us to see in your handphone?
Oh, sorry. This is my poster, madam. And this is automatic leveling. And this is a types, function, and character.
Yes,
This
I
is
know.
purchase.
I know.
Yes.
But you can't show like this during your presentation session.
I cannot do anything, madam. No have laptop, no have projector, then how I can do?
Then we should stop the session and we have to redo.
Redo means I cannot do after this. After this, I mean can do next week only. A very good morning to lecturer and my friends. So today I'm going to present about automatic leveling tools that related to civil costs. Before that, did anyone know what is automatic leveling tools? Did anyone know how it's function? And did anyone know how many types got? Did anyone know how it's look like? Okay, so an automatic leveling tool is a professional leveling tool that using by contractors, civil engineers, engineers, builders, and land surveyor. They mainly use these equipments in construction and surveying. The main thing. So first of all, before that, before we build a building, we will make sure the land is perfect place or not to build a building. For the any polytechnic buildings, any like a public toilet also include. Not only building big building, also public toilet. It's a small one, but you see at the highway, got arena. They also have to see the land. It can build or cannot. Some of land cannot build a building, so it will destroy for that. So I'm going to write some. So the function of the automatic leveling is we have to. This is an example. We're going to build a building at here. So we have to choose the point, 5 point or 4 point. For example, 5 point. Then we will put the automatic leveling at here, and we will see the object. Then we will use the leveling stuff. Who's the leveling stuff here? Faiz don't come yet. Okay. Leveling stuff and measure it one by one. From here we will get a 1.7, then we will get a 8.7, then we will calculate all the total. Then we see that the place can suitable place or not to build a building. That is automatic leveling. Not only this, but automatic leveling has got 5 types. First is a Y leveling. Second is a dumpy leveling. Third is a tilter leveling. Fourth, crushing leveling. And the fourth is five is reversible leveling. And the last one is automatic leveling. So after that, the equipments when first of all when we want to use the automatic leveling, we have to tripod, automatic leveling, bubble stuff leveling, then measuring tape to to take a data. Then we will collect it. Then we will see the we can build or not. So like that. That is the automatic leveling types. For this automatic leveling tool, it's very easy to use and it's very not a heavy one, but I think it can bring to anywhere easily. Second, it's very accurate measurement. We can find it. Disadvantage of the automatic leveling tools is the horizontal level cannot be measured accurately. That's the disadvantage of these equipments. And I think that's all for now. Thank you.
Hi, good morning to madam. My name is Adhan Najha binti Today I would like to present about theodolite. Theodolite is a precision optical instrument for measuring angle from one point to another point in horizontal and vertical plane. It is available in two types, digital theodolite and non-digital theodolite. Non-digital theodolite are rarely used anymore, while digital theodolite can measure accurate readings. Okay, the characteristic and appearance of theodolite, it made of plastic and steel. This tool is 4.6 kg in weight. We usually find most of these tools in yellow and the shape like rectangle and has a circular length. Okay. The function of the theodolite. Theodolite can be measured angle horizontal and vertical planes. It also can finding different of level, locating point on a line and setting out grade. Next, the advantage of theodolite. Theodolite can get greater accuracy, internal magnifying optical system, and repeat readings are unnecessary. And last, I want to story how to use the theodolite. First, set up the tripod. Then put the theodolite on the top and switch it in a place with mounting knob. Then measuring the height, and then level the theodolite by adjusting the tripod leg and bull eyes level, and then adjust the small side, and last one, record the horizontal and vertical angle using the viewing scope found on the theodolite side. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi and good morning to madam. I'm sorry for my problem, so I'm late to come here. First, I want to say sorry to my all team because I pulled off the poster and at my right now, so I forgot to carry for this presentation. Okay. So all I would like to explain about the station. So can you send me my poster? Sorry that I'm very rushed. Yeah. To talk about the total session, or the others name they call is the EDM. EDM, I want to explain about EDM. EDM is electronic distance measuring. Is the common name for the surveying tools. The theodolite is EDM. Leveling is not. Leveling is just a level machine. So the total session is similar with the theodolite. The function is it can be measured it can be measured to get accurate area by vertical and horizontal. So it can be easy because just use an electronic machine. So how to use So the total session must have the pair. The pair is a receiver. The receiver is put in one distance, and the session was send the data, and the receiver was against the data to total station. So the advantage of total station is the surveyor can get the accurate data, can computerize the data in the total session, and can make and not waste the surveyor time. And disadvantage for this machine is if have the bad weather, we cannot continue the surveyor works. And the other disadvantage is if the battery is getting low, we cannot use. We must charge for 2 hours long. Wait. But it's okay. Before this, for the conventional ways, we use a measure tape to measure the area by area. So the measure tape is take a long time for get the data. So the appearance of the total session is overall of the surveying tools is most like have use the yellow color to make some identity for the surveyor tools. Like to the left, just automatic labeling. Total session, just use the yellow color, and have the less at the top, and have the computerized digital meter at the above. It's under of the lens. And the last the total session must have the surveyor to use it. It can be used by a normal person or not educated person. Okay. Thank you.